Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to clear the DNS cache in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Sometimes websites do not load properly, show outdated pages or display connection errors. This may happen because your browser stores DNS information in its cache. Clearing the DNS cache in Microsoft Edge can help resolve these issues and allow the browser to fetch fresh DNS records from the server. So let's get started. First, open Edge browser, and in the address bar you need to copy and paste edge://net-internals/#DNS. I will put this one path in this one video description. After typing this one, press enter on the keyboard. Now here you will find a button that called clear host cache. Click on it to clear DNS cache. After clearing the DNS cache, it is good idea to restart your browser. So close Microsoft Edge and then open it again. That's it. The DNS cache in Microsoft Edge has now been successfully cleared. Clearing the DNS cache can help fix issues such as websites not loading, incorrect website addresses, or outdated DNS records. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.